Welcome aboard the brand new Disney Wish. Let's do a little cabin tour of our stateroom here on the Disney Wish. This is 9680, so we are on the 9th deck, and we are right at the very back of the ship. Got our little card here, and we're going to use that to tap into our room now. And this is a disabled accessible room, so we've got that kind of magic door opening. Now, for those of you in the United States who haven't cruised before, we're going to have to do this thing where you put a little card inside there to make the electricity work. Oops, the door is closing behind me, so let me step out of the way so we can get a good look at the sleeping quarters here in our stateroom on the Disney Wish. We've got a queen-size bed here in this very nice, spacious, handicap-accessible bedroom. Of course, we're going to have Disney animation themes throughout here. We've got Princess and the Frog on the headboard right there. And then next to the main sleeping area, see that curtain can be pulled across to create a divided sleeping area, primarily for the kids. They've got their own TV there. Another Princess and the Frog print right there. And we've got a convertible sofa. And up above there can be unlocked by your steward in the evening. That will be a bunk bed. And they've got a nice view here out onto the spacious veranda on the Disney Wish. 70% of the rooms on the Wish have a veranda, which is a record for the Disney Cruise Line. 90% of the rooms have some view out onto the ocean, so very few interior staterooms here. So let's go out on the veranda right now and take a look at what we've got here on the Disney Wish. So you can see we've got a really nice big veranda for us here at the very back of the ship. Take a look down there. A couple of chairs for us. And the ship continues up there. Anyway, let's get back into the stateroom and take a look around. Another view of the sleeping quarters right there. That is opposite, our vanity that we've got right there, the little stool, and this is our bathroom. And this is going to be a disabled, accessible bathroom here. So it's going to be that roll-in shower that you're looking for. Just pull the shower curtain around, and we've got our sink there and the toilet right there with those grab bars. So anyway, this is what a stateroom looks like storage area right there. So as I was saying, this is what a stateroom looks like on the brand new Disney Wish. Welcome aboard and bon voyage.